Does your planter struggle to perform planting in wet, marginal conditions, mud buildup issues, pinch row compaction? If you want to improve performance without the high price tag of tracks, look no further than the Command float tires. The hype is real. Command float tires have been field tested for over 5 years, and our happy customers have proven these are the best all-around solution for their John Deere planter. Designed with the grower in mind, these double your flat plate footprint over stock, giving you near-track performance without the maintenance headaches and high upfront cost. Available for John Deere 1770, 75, 24-row, and 1790, 95 all-row combinations. We truly have any solution you need to keep your operation rolling. Learn more by giving the Command Hydraulics team a call today.